This Energy Star qualified Whirlpool Gold dishwasher holds 15 place settings, cleans quietly at 51 dBA, and features focused cleaning with silverware spray that showers utensils to virtually eliminate rewashing. It also provides more room for dishes in the lower rack, thanks to its Anywhere Plus silverware basket that sits in the door or on the front of the rack to free up rack space. You can count on this fast dishwasher to clean a lightly soiled load in half the time with the 1-hour wash cycle and the sensor cycle that automatically adjusts wash and dry settings to deliver precise results. Quality dishwashers from Whirlpool. No one has fewer repairs.